Act Overall, Raw is Netflix, hindi niya na-meet yung expectations ko kasi yung ine-expect ko na na si Penta, as in yung physical na lalabas, lang, ang ginawa pala nila, inintroduce lang nila si Penta sa Bignet. Hindi siya yung ine-expect ko na biglang magpapakita lang. Tapos yung naman, ang pinakamagandang match na napanood ko doon is yung actually it's a tie, yung kay Roman versus Solo and Seth versus Punk. Yun yung mga kaabang-abang. And the rest, ayun. Overall, naman, good, pero not good enough for a pilot episode for a new platform, new program, new channel.